Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we are going to continue our revision work with the subject civics, that is lesson number 1, which is coming in periodic assessment 1, periodic test 1. Okay, so history and geography, both revision work in detail we have done. Now it is the turn of civics, that is lesson number 1. Today we will complete with the civics revision work also. And tomorrow you will have the overall test, that is history lesson number 1, civics lesson number 1, and geography lesson number 1 in Google form.
मैम आज दो कंटिन्यू पीरियड एसएसटी का है मैम, उसके बाद वाला पीरियड भी मैम एसएसटी का है.
हाँ, yes, I know for that. We will continue with the civics revision only, okay? And if you want, we can discuss with the history and geography also, the questions if you want in the next class. And prepare nicely for tomorrow's test, oral test on Google Form link. The link will be provided to you tomorrow only. And on student portal as well as in the group, I will send the link. And timing will be, what is the timing?
1 to 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Yes. 1 to 2 p.m. Okay. Those who have entered the room, please type present in the chat box so that I can have the attendance here with me. So in your notebooks, you have to write down only the option A, B, C, which is correct, A, B, C or D, and the correct word which is in front of it, the correct answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody's name with Vaishnavi is in there in your class? Vaishnavi is also not there, na? Vaishnavi now.
No, ma'am.
मैम अंजलि वैष्णव है.
Anjali Vaishnav is already there. Anjali Vaishnav. But your Vaishnavi is only written there in the waiting room. That is why I am not making them enter. No problem. Fine, we'll continue with the test now. First question. In 1934, Dash demanded for the Constituent Assembly for the first time. In 1934, everybody has to write down. First in the notebook. Wait,
Ma'am written.
which only you have to raise your hands up, no name, nothing. Yes, Vidhi. In 1934, Dash demanded the Constituent Assembly for the first time.
Indian National Congress.
Tanishka,
Ma'am option A, Indian National Congress.
Preet,
Indian National Congress.
Shubham, everybody's in favor? Shubham, any other answer?
Yes,
Indian
ma'am.
National Congress.
Yes, anybody wants to give any other answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now this is the correct option also, Indian National Congress. Next question. The Indian Constitution was drafted by. The Indian Constitution was drafted by. Yes, Preet.
Ma'am, Constituent Assembly.
Vineet. Himani.
Constituent Assembly.
Okay. So, yes.
Nikita, ma'am.
Yes, Nikita.
Ma'am, option B. Ma'am, option B. Constituent Assembly.
Ma'am, Vineet.
Vineet, yes.
Ma'am, Constituent Assembly.
So now everybody is in favor of Constituent Assembly only. B option is correct. You can mark the Constituent Assembly. Marked everybody? Written? Now next.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second. Next is, in Nepal, the struggle for democracy started in Nepal.
Tanishka.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am Shubhang.
Ma'am, option A 1990.
Option A 1990.
Ma'am
Yes, ma'am. Option A
1990.
1990.
Ma'am, option A 1990.
Okay, fine. That means everybody know about the struggle of Nepal for democracy.
Nepal.
Hana? That is option A will be the correct option. Option A is the correct option. Next question. The father of Indian Constitution is. Now, don't nobody
Ma'am
is.
Shubham. Ma'am
Ma'am
Shubham.
Ma'am
Wait.
Ma'am B.R. Ambedkar.
Ma'am,
B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R.
Yes, Bhavika. Unmute yourself and then speak out, Bhavika. The father of Indian Constitution.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, fine.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Good, good. B.R. Ambedkar. And now, yes, everybody is in favor of B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, wait. Yes, Mehak. Where is? Yes, Mehak. What answer you have written? The father of Indian Constitution? Okay, then A option will be the correct option. Yes, good. Now question number 5th. To ensure greater economic and social reforms, the Constitution introduced. Pranjal Vishnoi. Wait, Pranjal, let me unmute you. Pranjal. Pranjal is there in the class? Yes, Pranjal, unmute yourself and speak out.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A, which is the to ensure the greater economic and social reforms the Constitution introduced. Anybody else wants to give? Yes, Shubham.
Tanishka.
Ma'am
Shubham.
Nita.
Wait, first Shubham.
Ma'am options करो ना.
Uh,
सारे options.
sorry. Okay. To ensure greater economic and social reforms, the Constitution introduced.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights.
Ma'am,
B
busy.
option.
Fundamental rights.
We need question learning fundamental rights.
Everybody listen me. Huh? As soon as I have shown all the options, you have changed your answer. What? Final, which answer is correct? Which answer?
Fundamental rights.
Option B.
Fundamental.
Fundamental rights.
Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am,
option A. Option B.
Ma'am B.
Wait,
Option B.
wait.
Ma'am option A.
Wait, the one who has said just now option A. Please speak out who has Tanishka? Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
you had answer?
Option A, directive principles of state policy.
Yes, this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Clear? Now this is given here on page number 14, the last paragraph. Page number 14, last paragraph. Now everybody is means this option A. Everybody knows now the option A is correct one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. The page number 14, the last paragraph says that directive principle of state policy ensures greater social and economic reforms to serve as guide to the independent Indian state. Here, the full sentences are given there. Next is question number 6. Dash is a group of people who make laws and run the government. Dash.
Nikita.
Ma'am, Shubhang.
No, 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 no.
Ma'am.
Again I will mute you. Please. Yes, Arish. Dash is a group of people who make laws and run the government. Yes, Nikita.
Government, option C.
Shubham
Ma'am, Vineet.
Ma'am, executive.
and Vineet.
Ma'am, judiciary.
Anybody else?
Ma'am
Ma'am
Shubham.
Vidhi.
Yes,
Ma'am
Vidhi.
Ravina.
Ma'am Executive.
Okay.
Ma'am Ravina.
Yes, Ravina.
Judiciary.
Judiciary. Okay, fine. Now the correct option for this question number 6 is option D. Option D. Judiciary sees that laws are properly obeyed or not, are followed by the citizens or not, and then if not followed, it punishes. Clear? So executive is a group of people, execute करते हैं वो, who makes laws and run the government. Government run करते हैं. Because they run the government here will not be, definitely the option will not be good. Clear? Now next question. Shri Jagjeevan Ram was the first minister of India.
Ma'am, Shubhang.
Yes, Shubham.
Ma'am Shubham.
Ma'am, labor.
And Shubham? Shubham?
Ma'am Home Minister.
Okay, next. Anybody else who's another opinion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am
Yes.
option A.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
labor.
Nikita also labor.
Ma'am Vidhi. Labor.
Labor.
Ma'am labor, option A.
Okay, okay, fine. Shri Jagjeevan Ram was the first labor minister of India. Clear? A. Now from this question, it is clear that whatever pictures are given in the lessons, whether it is history, civics or geography, under the picture whatever information is written, that information is also important from the point of view of exam. Clear? Everybody is clear? So any
ma'am.
important information
ma'am.
given in history, civics or geography, I am talking about 3 subjects altogether, history also, civics also and geography also. Any picture is given and below that picture, any information related to that picture or glossary part or do you know part, anything is given, you read each and everything carefully for the exam. Afterwards don't say कि मैम आपने पढ़ाया नहीं था, मैंने पढ़ाया था ना पढ़ाया था, but it is there in the lesson. Clear? And from my side I had done all the things. Okay? So this
Yes,
is given on page number 15. Under the photo, that is the above photo shows various members of the Constituent Assembly signing a copy of Constitution for the final session. So for this, under this picture, many names are given of Agriculture Minister, Food and Agriculture Minister also, Deputy Minister also, Prime Minister also, every means most of the Ministers' names are given under that picture who are participating in this for the signing a copy of constitution. So under that picture only this name is there, Shri Jagjeevan Ram, and it was the labor minister. I hope it is clear now. Okay. Now next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
okay. The existence of more than one level of the government in any country is called.
Feudalism.
Ma'am Shubhang.
Ma'am, federalism.
Ma'am
Ma'am,
feudalism.
federalism.
Feudalism.
Federalism, ma'am.
Ma'am feudalism.
Now Siddhi, unmute yourself and speak out, beta. Siddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which answer is correct? Which option? Speak out the answer.
Ma'am, B.
Okay, Ravina. Speak out the answer.
Federalism.
Okay, next, anybody else? Who wants, Nikita? Speak out. Jayashri?
Ma'am, option B.
Okay,
Federalism.
okay. So finally, the correct option is B option, that is federalism. For 8th question, B option, federalism is the correct answer. Federalism, that is existence of more than one level of the government in the country. State government, union government, central government, like this, you know. Now next question number 9, the human trafficking and forced labor are prohibited under. Listen to the question carefully. The human trafficking and forced labor are prohibited under. Yes, Vidhi. Unmute yourself and speak out, beta.
Ma'am, right against exploitation.
Okay, fine. Then next is anybody else? Mehak. Unmute yourself and speak out.
Right against exploitation.
Shubham.
Ma'am
Shubham.
right against exploitation.
Himani.
Right against exploitation.
Okay. Now this is the correct option, that the human trafficking and forced labor are prohibited under. That is 9th is right against exploitation. B option is correct, as you all are saying. Yes, Himani, you want to speak out anything? Himani, unmute yourself and speak out.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next is the Indian government is a dash form of government. The Indian government is the dash form of government. Yes, Shubham.
Parliamentary.
Okay, next is who is going to answer? Preet. Preet.
Ma'am, parliamentary.
Okay, fine. Then everybody whose hands are raised up, they're in favor of parliamentary.
Yes, ma'am.
They are favor of parliamentary.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay, good. So C is the correct option,
Yes, ma'am.
parliamentary form of government. Clear? Next is right to move freely falls under. Right to move freely. This is a right given to all the citizens.
Nikita.
Right to freedom.
Right to freedom option.
Okay, right to freedom, right to property or right against exploitation is not the correct option.
No, ma'am. C option is right.
C option is correct. Okay, fine. So definitely the C option is correct. Right to move freely falls against right to freedom. Wherever you feel like you can go and reside over there, you can go freely and enjoy there that area So you have a right to move freely. That means you can go for occupation or any other purpose also. That is under the right to freedom. Next question. The system of courts in the country is collectively referred as. The system of courts in the country.
Shubhang.
Chalo, yes, Anjali.
Ma'am, judiciary.
Okay, next.
Ma'am Shubhang.
Dhruv. Okay, Shubhang.
Ma'am Vineet.
Judiciary.
Ma'am
Ma'am judiciary.
Ma'am, judiciary.
Yes,
Vineet
Vineet.
also judiciary.
Judiciary.
हाँ सिद्धार्थ.
Ma'am, judicially option A.
Okay, so this is the correct option for 12th question. The system of courts. Courts का system क्या है? Judiciary. That is collectively referred as judiciary. Fine. Till 12th, everybody has understood all the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to question number 13. Dash was the finance minister of India. Dash was the finance minister of
Shubhang.
India. Yes, Shubham.
Atal Bihari
Ma'am,
Vajpayee.
Ma'am, Nikita.
Ma'am, Preet.
Ma'am Atal
Ma'am,
Bihari
Preet.
Vajpayee.
Ma'am, Nikita.
During one.
Ma'am, Preet.
Ma'am
Yes.
Vineet.
Yes, Vineet and Preet.
Nikita.
Preet first. Huh?
Ma'am, John Mathai. John Mathai.
Okay, John Mathai. Then,
Ma'am,
yes,
Ma'am B
Ma'am,
option.
Nikita. Ma'am, Nikita.
yes, Nikita.
Ma'am,
John Mathai, ma'am, option B is correct.
Okay, fine. Good. That means those who have given B option, John Mathai for question number 13. That is John Mathai was the first finance minister of India. It is the correct one. Okay, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have written any other option, then you can write down, cut that and you can write down the correct option. Next is question number 14. Dash was urged by B.R. Ambedkar to join government and civil services. Dash were urged. Urged means were asked by B.R. Ambedkar to join government and civil services. Yes,
Ma'am, Preet.
yes, please.
Scheduled castes.
Anybody
Ma'am,
else? Yes,
Ma'am
Vidhi.
Shubhang.
Ma'am,
Scheduled caste.
Ma'am schedule caste.
schedule caste is the right answer.
Ma'am, schedule caste.
Everybody is in favor of the C option. Everybody is in favor of C option. Okay, then definitely this option is correct one. Scheduled castes were urged. Scheduled castes were urged by B.R. Ambedkar to join the civil services. Okay. Now next is the first
Yes,
health.
ma'am.
The first health minister of independent India was.
Ma'am, Anjali.
Nikita, ma'am, Nikita.
Ma'am, Preet.
Ma'am, Nikita.
Ma'am, Preet.
Rajkumari Amrit Kaur.
Rajkumari
Amrit Kaur.
Yes, Dhruv. Which where is? Yes, Dhruv, you can answer. The first health minister of independent India was. Unmute yourself.
Rajkumari Amrit Kaur.
Okay. Jayashri.
Ma'am, same. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur.
So those who have raised their hand up, everybody is in favor of Rajkumari Amrit Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is the correct option also. For 15th, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Next is Dash was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Yes, Shubham.
Ma'am Jawaharlal Nehru.
Next, anybody else? Preet.
Ma'am, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Next, Vineet.
Ma'am Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay, that means everybody has the same answer. Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct option also. Next is the Indian Constitution was finally completed in. The Indian Constitution was finally completed in. Yes, Pranjal. Pranjal. Unmute yourself and speak out, beta. The Indian Constitution was finally completed in okay, Siddhi and Dhruv, you can unmute yourself and speak out.
Ma'am, November 1949.
So Siddhi is giving C option as correct option. And Dhruv, what about you? Dhruv? Dhruv, you can unmute yourself and speak out.
Ma'am, September 1949.
September 1949, that is, you are saying B option. Shubham? Shubham?
Ma'am, November 1949.
November 1949. Anybody else? Any other option? Okay, fine. Finally, so for 17th, option C is correct. That is November 1949. Okay. Now next is Dash was the president of Constituent Assembly. Yes, Vineet. Unmute yourself and speak out. Yes. Dash was the president of Constituent Assembly.
Ma'am, B.R. Ambedkar.
Next, any other option? Dash was the president of Constituent Assembly. Yes, please.
Ma'am, B.R. Ambedkar only.
Listen to the question first. Question number 18. Dash was the president of Constituent Assembly. Yes, next, who will answer now? Next could be unmute yourself and speak out.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer B.
Okay. Garima, Dash was the president of Constituent Assembly. Unmute yourself, Garima, and speak out. Garima, unmute yourself and speak out. Okay, Mehak. Mehak, you can speak out. Unmute
मैं
yourself.
बोलूं अंजलि
मैम निकिता डॉक्टर
Ma'am,
राजेंद्र
Rajendra
निकिता
Prasad.
Okay, fine. Now A is the correct option for this, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next is the elected representatives in India are the part of. The elected representatives in India are the part of. Yes, Nikita.
cabinet, ma'am, the elected, ma'am, cabinet.
Okay, Vineet. The elected representatives. Yes.
Ma'am,
19th. Which option?
ma'am, legislature.
Fine. This is the correct option for question number 19th. That is the B option. Okay. Now, everyone is equal before law. The right falls under. Everyone is equal before law. The right falls under. Which option? Yes, Anjali. Unmute yourself and speak out, Anjali.
yes ma'am
Yes, everyone is equal before law. The right falls under which fundamental right? Everyone
right to
is-
equality
Okay, next any other option? Anybody wants to give any other option? Okay, fine. This right to equality is the correct option for this. Now, in our next class, we will continue with this revision work. In our next class also, after 10 minutes break, we will come again, join again, and we will continue with 10 more questions are there in this. 10 more questions, and after completing 10 more questions,